Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, updated Facebook, and a passkey-capable device so enrollment will work. Once ready, sign in and go directly to Settings, then Security and Login. This puts you where registrations happen. Tap or click Use a passkey to start creation, choose your platform authenticator or an external security key. You do this now so Facebook can link the passkey to your account immediately, avoiding later mismatches between devices and credentials. You'll now create and verify the passkey. This is the complex middle step that binds your device to Facebook. Select Platform Authenticator or plug in your external key, then follow prompts. Use fingerprint, face, PIN, or touch, so the authenticator generates a credential. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name so you can distinguish multiple keys later. Once the device confirms, Facebook shows success. This establishes a public key on their servers and a private key kept only on your device, improving security. Complete the flow by signing out and signing back and using the newly created passkey so you verify it works in real conditions. Also register a second passkey or note a recovery option to avoid lockout if a device is lost. If something goes wrong, remain calm. Check that your browser or OS supports passkeys and that biometrics or the security key are enabled. Restart the authenticator or try the backup key. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most registration hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.